This is Audible.
Penguin Random House Audio presents Captivate, The Science of Succeeding with People. This is the author, Vanessa Van Edwards. Publisher's note: this audiobook includes a bonus PDF of quizzes, graphs, and illustrations which can be viewed on any PC or Mac computer. Hi, my name is Vanessa, and I'm a recovering awkward person. At school dances, I'd volunteer to watch the punch bowl. Growing up, if a cool kid accidentally bumped into me, I would start hiccuping uncontrollably. When my family finally got AOL, my first IM buddy was the school nurse. In second grade, I tried to get a permanent dismissal from PE by saying I had menopause pains. If only Google had been around in those days. To prove it, as painful as it is, I present Exhibit A, a photo of me circa 1993. I went for helmet hair without actually playing a sport requiring a helmet, or any sport, frankly, while clinging to the belief that nothing complements a baggy t-shirt quite like a sharp vest, a plaid one, though truthfully, I wasn't too picky in the vest department. On particularly socially anxious days, I would break out in hives right before walking to school and wear long sleeves and pants to cover my swollen, red, itchy limbs. As you might have guessed, the rashes covering my face and scalp didn't help my popularity rankings. It wasn't all bad, though. On Valentine's Day, my teachers gave me cards. Human behavior hacking. It's an understatement to say that people skills did not come naturally to me. I had to learn them the hard way, so I could teach them to you the easy way. Here's how it happened. Early on, I figured out that I could learn human behavior just like I studied for math or foreign language tests. I made facial expression flashcards, looked for small talk patterns, and tried to spot the hidden emotions of my teachers, although that last one sometimes got me into trouble. I read everything I could get my hands on about people, psychology textbooks, sociological studies, and every human behavior book ever written. Eventually, I began to create my own tests and experiments. For one mini experiment, I created flashcards of conversation starters based on studies of dopamine, carried them in my purse, tried them on strangers, and then cataloged their reactions. For another, I tried to adopt the alpha body language moves of chimps to see if people would mirror me. That one did not work. And yet another, I used persuasion techniques in a business pitch competition to see if I could game the system. On a whim, I decided to document all of my misadventures and takeaways as a human guinea pig on a blog, scienceofpeople.com. To my surprise and delight, I found I wasn't the only person struggling to get along with people. As our articles started to pop up all over the web and our videos began going viral, we caught the attention of media outlets like NPR, Inc., and Forbes, which covered our unique approach. This is when I decided to do larger research experiments and turn Science of People into a human behavior lab. In our lab, we start every endeavor by finding the latest scientific studies and then turn them into real-life experiments and tactics. We then share these strategies with our readers and students to test them. In this way, each skill in this book has already been refined by thousands of students who have used them in real-life situations and reported their results back to us to perfect. This method is our secret sauce. Step 1. Find fascinating research. Step 2. Create actionable, real-life strategies. Step 3. Test, tweak, and perfect. Repeat. I call our approach behavior hacking. Over the last 8 years, I've developed shortcuts, formulas, and blueprints for getting along with anyone. Our unique approach has reached millions of students through our online courses and in-person workshops. I've helped corporate teams at Fortune 500 companies increase their interpersonal intelligence, singles make connections at speed dating workshops, and entrepreneurs win pitch competitions using science-based behavior hacks. My columns and appearances in the Huffington Post, in Forbes, and on CNN are seen all over the world by people who want to improve their relationships. We have streamlined all of our best findings into a universal framework that makes up this audiobook. Each chapter of Captivate will teach you one of the 14 behavior hacks. These are simple, powerful tools that you can use to level up your career, improve your relationships, and increase your income. What you will learn. This book will teach you how people work. If you know exactly what makes people tick, you can optimize your behavior, interactions, and relationships. Trying to get along with people without a framework is a bit like solving complex math problems without any equations. It's both difficult and involves a heck of a lot of unnecessary suffering along the way. This book will give you the people skills you never learned in school. As diverse as we all seem on the outside, our inner workings are quite